Okay, so moving forward, there are two types of analysis, where one is technical analysis and the next one is fundamental analysis. So in this section I'll show you how I do my technical analysis, and before all that, let me make my chart clearer, or the way I use it. Yeah, perfect. So let's do some technical analysis on gold. So what I'll do, once I come into my charts, I'll go to the monthly time frame, identify where we are currently trading at, and as we can see, we have created a support right there and resistance right there. Then go to the weekly time frame, mark out the zones, make them clearer. So we have that, can make the zones clearer. So I want us to assume the market is moving so that it will make more sense, or maybe even the way it is right now. So we have that, yeah, just drawing the zones clearly. Okay, making them clearer and clearer as we narrow down to the smaller time frames. So we have that. So I will analyze my chart that way until I get to the hourly time frame or the 30-minute. For this case, let's stop right here on the hourly time frame. So after marking up our zones, we have that and that. So in technical analysis, actually in every analysis, you can only trade, you can either enter a buy or a sell position. That is the only way you can trade. So other people might say you may use pending orders, but according to what I'm teaching right now, the market, actually a pending order will either get you to a sell or a buy position. Yeah, that's the only way you can trade. So according to my analysis, I might say gold will go up and I will take a long position once the candle opens right here, with my stop below here and my take profit just my take profit right here, which is the recent zone or the nearest zone right here. Let's mark it up with a horizontal ray right there. Yeah, so that's how you do your technical, how I do my technical analysis. Other people may do it differently, and you can see the risk reward ratio is 1:1.36. yeah, that's how you basically do your technical analysis. So moving forward to the fundamental analysis, you'll come to Forex Factory. This is the site I use for my fundamental analysis. So let's wait for it to load. So in the technical the fundamental analysis, sorry, there's you come here to this site, check for news. You can move to the calendar. As we can see right here, we have the previous week's news and everything. So once we see a red folder like this, means the news will have a high impact on the currency. The yellow means low impact, and the orange means medium impact, might not affect so much movement of the currency. So basically what fundamental analysis is, It is when a trader does research on economic, social and political forces that may affect the supply and demand of a currency pair, stock, ETF, commodity, etc. So what fundamental traders mainly look at is the unemployment rate, gross domestic product, which is GDP, and I guess, yeah, as you can see here, GDP. We also have interest rates, CPI, which is consumer price index, as you can see here in their high impact news. We also have the non-farm payrolls, which is NFP, which is the biggest news in forex. It occurs mainly on Fridays, the first Friday of the month. We also have retail sales, purchasing managers index, which is PMI. We also have FOMC, this one here. Yeah, that's basically fundamental analysis, where a trader will do research on the economic, social and political forces that affect the supply and demand of a currency pair. That's basically it.